Hi, my name is Brandon Russell. Today we are going to talk about viruses. There are both plant viruses and animal viruses. A virus needs a host in order to exist. Without a host, the virus cannot replicate to make more viruses, and then they fail to be able to infect anybody else or anything else. Today we're going to talk about the coronavirus, which infects humans. A virus contains genetic information. We have DNA that encodes our genetic information that makes us who we are. Viruses can either have DNA or RNA, which encodes their genetic information. A virus is much like a structure, so picture a house with the blueprints inside the house that tell you how to make the house. That's much like a virus. The genetic information is contained within the structure of the virus. So picture a house, and in that house are the blueprints that tell you how to build the house. Every virus has that information inside of their envelope, which is the structure of the house. On the outside of that structure, they also have other proteins called spike proteins. Now these proteins are very important. They're very important because these are what attach to the cells in our body. Every virus has specific proteins on the outside that will attach to very specific cells inside of a person. So when we breathe in the virus, this virus will attach to our respiratory tract inside of our body, and our cells will take in that virus. When our cells take in that virus, the virus opens up and the genetic information will come out. Our body then will take that genetic information and make more of the virus's proteins. Both the envelope, more genetic information of the virus, and the spike proteins. Then within our cell, it will build more viruses. So when one virus goes in, they'll make many other viruses. And then as that virus is brought up to the surface of the cell, the virus exits the cell. So from one virus going in a cell, many viruses come out, which is how they replicate, and then how we breathe them back out and spread to other people. Now, why hand washing is very important to get rid of or destroy the coronavirus is that the envelope of the virus has fats in it called lipids. So when we wash our hands, the soap that we use to wash our hands will actually disrupt the surface of the virus and break it apart. Now, it's really important to break that virus apart before it gets into our body. Because when we break apart that virus, it can no longer bind or attach to our cells.